Hey, welcome. This video is actually one of the lessons from inside my AI image generation course. In this one, I'll show you how to create an image clone of yourself or any object using AI. If you want access to the full course and all of the other lessons, you will find a link down in the description. Let's get started.
Hi. Have you ever wanted to create your own comic? Create fantasy images of you for your social media posts, or just having professional pictures of you or your product in any environment? In this video, you will learn how to clone yourself or any object that you want. Flux in Crea gives us that possibility by training a custom model. This may sound very difficult, and it is on its core, but Crea have simplified the process with a friendly interface, extremely easy to use. Let's dive in. To access to the area of training in Crea, you will have the train button in the bar above. Once you get access, you will be asked to upload a set of at least 3 images, which you can select from your computer. I'm gonna start by creating a clone of a Heineken beer. I'm gonna upload some images I previously saved from internet for this exercise. Here are some pieces of advice about this process. Try to get the images with the best possible resolution. The better resolution of the uploaded images, the more sharp the result will be. Try to select diverse angles of the object or person to clone, but try to add the biggest number of images with the parts that require more detail. For example, if it's a person, the face is essential, so photos from behind should be the least. If it's an object, the label, logo, or any characteristic feature should have the biggest amount of pictures. Don't worry if you are not sure of the resolution of the images. Crea will make the bars below orange to tell you if overall you need more images or better resolution. And you will be able to remove and upload new images. Once you have the best possible selection of images, we are going to tell the platform that we are creating an object. Whenever you create these models, you get to name them and add a trigger word that you will include in your prompt to get more accurate results. Now you will need to wait some minutes until your custom model is ready. Once it is, you will be able to access to it clicking in Use with Flux. You will know if you are using your model if it appears here in the lower bar. You can also add it at the prompt bar by clicking here on Add Style and selecting it in your styles. Now all is ready to create new images with your custom model. Let's use first an example of our bottle in a bar. Notice that I'm using the trigger word Heineken for the prompt to get better results. Now let's change the context of our image. And here it is. With this technique, you can have a Heineken bottle in as many contexts as you want. But this is not the only thing you can create. You can clone a person using the same procedure. You just need to specify that it's a person instead of an object. I have been using it to create clones of myself for YouTube miniatures. Using the same procedure as with our Heineken bottle and with a set of common pictures of you, you can create a custom model of yourself to be used in different scenarios. The only difference is that you have to select character instead of object. Once our model is ready, let's make some tests. You will want to make sure you are using the word trigger, that in this case is Emmanuel. And just in a couple minutes, you will have as many images of you wearing any clothing and in any scenario that you want. Let's try now a Western environment. Something to take into account is that you should regulate how much strength you want to put in the influence of your model. Taking the influence to the top will make less accurate the prompts. So if you want to represent a West scenario, the higher is the value of the model, the less cowboy details the clothing will have. And this is it. With this video, you are ready to make your AI clones have the biggest adventures. Have a lot of fun and see you in the next video.